Candace.
Hi.
And today we'll be fixing a slime. Okay, so
It's very sticky.
Yeah, the slime is very sticky. It's like melted.
Like the sun.
Oh gosh, you get that much. Okay, so first thing I would do is activate it. So let's just add a few ingredients and activate it. Okay.
I like the color. And what smell did you add?
Oh, I put a grapefruit. No, I put lemon extract.
I love lemon.
Smells good.
It smells like pink lemon.
Whoa, gosh.
I think that's all.
Do you want glue?
Okay.
Here. Do you need me to pour it since
I'm ready. Thank you. Okay. Can I first mix it with it? The glue.
It's gonna unactivate it. Melt it. Yeah.
Well, we still have to smell.
I feel stupid today.
Ooh, it's already melted.
Mine too. Mine is starting to melt.
We also have to add some color.
I'm gonna add more pink.
Me too. We're gonna do the same color, so
As me?
or maybe like a little bit of dark pink.
I'm gonna add metallic into it.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm gonna add purple.
I'm gonna add pink.
I'm gonna add this one.
I want it to make the same color. So it looks
Oh my
like yogurt.
gosh. This is so hard to open.
Are you doing it already? Are you not activating it yet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Actually, I'm gonna use this one.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh God.
What pink is that? It's so bright.
It's pretty pink.
Why is it so bright?
Okay. Why are you putting that back over there?
Oh God, the pink.
Oh my, I didn't realize it was coming out.
Well, my pink is very pretty.
Oh,
Well, yeah, but it's not the same color, so
I
yeah.
don't need any more color.
I don't really know what happened to it. I don't like this color. Do you have any white
Oh,
paint?
sure. I don't have white paint.
Okay.
I actually think I ran out of white paint.
What glitter did you put in here?
I put purple glitter. No, that's not the one that. No, don't.
Okay.
My thing. The same one.
I'm gonna take purple glitter. This purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't open. Look at that. It's a nice color. I'm gonna add some soap.
Too much. I guess.
Yeah, I know. That one comes out really fast.
Oh, it's actually pretty.
Oh, I'm getting all the lemon smell out of it now. Now it smells like hand sanitizer.
Yeah, that's bad. Delicious lemon.
Sorry, I'll put more lemon extract when I get home.
Can I also make a slime with lemon flavor?
Maybe next time I'll bring it. I think I'm ready to activate, so I'm gonna activate mine.
I'm gonna go get some Tide. Of course. Tide.
Give me.
Here.
If you need me to refill, I can go refill. Just a little bit.
Put on the
I'm
cap.
not
So
smart. This girl's smart right here.
just very little. I'm not.
Yeah, she's younger than me.
She's young.
Smarter than me.
You shouldn't you put it on the cap so you know if you could put as much as you want on the cap.
control your speed. Actually, I think I can go in with my hand. Oh, never mind. I should have said that.
It's
I
like
don't need anything from there tonight.
just gotta mix it up.
Just keep going.
Yeah, just keep mixing it.
I'm gonna just overactivate this first. I want to overactivate it and then add instant snub.
And then knead it.
Yeah.
First knead it. Oh, it's actually good.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
It's very sticky.
Her slimes are like perfect all the time. Like look at mine and then look at hers.
Oops.
Okay, yours is a little bit overactivated.
Yeah, so
Mine is really overactivated. There's not a lot of snow, so don't put that much.
Okay, I'm gonna put that much. And that much.
Christopher, can you put a spoon in there from that container?
Ooh, the snow.
I think there's like plastic utensils in there.
Oh, I really need a tissue.
Yeah. No, a spoon. In the bottom this one, I think. Wait, no. Okay, then we'll just not do it. Wait, never mind. That's not. That's just like a squishy.
Okay, I got my tissue back. Okay, now I'm gonna mix.
The tissue box is like over there somewhere, you know.
Whatever. I already got it.
Oh, I'm gonna feel it. Can I?
It's not done yet.
Oh, that's cool. Mine is a piece of grape soda.
Mine is pink lemon.
Hey, pink lemonade.
Well, if you guys want to try out the pink lemonade, you could go to, I don't know.
What do you mean?
I got it from there.
What do you mean?
The pink lemonade.
Oh yeah, pink lemonade. You can go to Trader Joe's to get it.
It's very fizzy.
Oh, the fizzy one.
Yeah,
The
it tastes so
carbonate.
good. Yeah. It looks like brain. So scary.
No, it's not. Can we swap slimes? You're better than me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I even put soap in here and it's still not good. Oh, this is a really thick slime actually.
Oh, thanks.
Today
Yeah.
I'm going to teach you guys how to make some thick slime as well.
I'm also gonna make this slime again. How do you make this slime?
I don't know, you made it.
Like the regular one.
This is actually a pretty nice slime how we made it. So yeah, we'll just finish the video here. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. Bye guys.